welcome back to the Discovery Workshop ASMR, and today we're just doing a short unboxing video of our F-16 RC jet. So yeah, without further ado, we'll rip it open. So we got this off Hobby Station, eh?
Yeah, last one.
Oh, yeah.
But then they might restock within a month or so.
Yeah. Kitty meow.
This is 2023. What is that? KV 3150 motor. Oh yeah, so you gotta match it up. Oop. Because the cheaper one's got that vacuum cleaner motor.
So this should be a lot better than the F-15, eh?
Yeah. Bit of detail.
Yeah.
Actually got lights. I wasn't expecting lights.
Oh, LEDs.
They're normally on like ones that are a bit more expensive.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'll probably use
What have
that
we
box
got?
as a
Manual?
thumbnail.
Eh?
I'll probably use the box as a thumbnail.
Manual, which is how many pages? Oh yeah, it's about 6 pages out of all that.
Cool.
In English.
Yeah.
It's got a programming reference table. Oh no, that's oh yeah, that's basic.
Yeah.
That's not let's see. Stuff. That's a whole piece. Look at that. Even the foam, holding the foam is well done. Doesn't that look like a CNC machine for foam would do that? That's like a 3D printer.
Yeah.
It has a head that, you know, but then it's spitting out stuff, but CNC's machining, shaping. That's cool.
So it's not painted, it's just straight.
There's paint.
Yeah,
just
that's
for
the
that,
paint.
and then they've just stuck a sticker.
Yeah.
That doesn't even seem to be stuck down.
Still, the detail looks pretty good.
Well, unless you go over it yourself.
Can't sneeze at this.
Hookup's good. Yeah, it's a good size. It's not too big. There's that rod
still a shelf queen. I mean, you know, sitting up
Fiber.
on a shelf or
Chop it off. There you go, Drew, you can have a look at it. I'm just going to drink my drink. Pull it out and stuff.
okay. So that's the rear wing wheels. So they don't look like retractable wheels. Those. And the Thunderbird paint job is my favourite for the F-16. It's just cool you got that. It's cool you got the Thunderbird styles. Sweet. Looks like everything, I believe. Man, nice jet. Very nice jet. That looks like everything. So we've got the main body.
See what he meant, that other guy meant about the bare foam. If you painted it, you have to tape off these areas real carefully.
But still, if you had it hanging up, you know, you wouldn't see that from a distance.
It doesn't bother me that much. It's just like I see his point where you see all the little thing. You want it to look smooth.
Yeah.
Now, I suppose you could get a special foam paint.
Yeah. And airbrush it on,
But
eh?
you'd have to look for the colour. It's just standard white, isn't it? It's not gloss white, eh? It's just standard flat white.
Yeah.
Maybe gloss, I don't know.
Just whatever stands out, I reckon, because, you know, when you're up in the sky, you'll want it to stand out. If you painted it, I reckon go for a real piercing, beautiful Arctic white. Like a real piercing white, so it stands out in the sky. That's what I reckon. That's my theory. Like, I wouldn't be too original with how I'd paint it. You know, if you did paint it, like I'd be thinking in terms of how much it stands out. There's some people what they have like a special effect thing there, eh?
Using
Right.
Oh. Whoa.
What do we?
Fit it in that circular, in that tube where the fans are nearly touching the sides, but so well done.
Yeah.
Oh, you wouldn't want to damage this part because you'd be. Has it got a service hatch? Yep. There's the service hatch. Proper service hatch. The motor's right there.
Yeah.
I would have a look, but screwdriver set's downstairs. Might as well do another video during
Yeah,
I don't have the tools.
I'll end it here. Please like, subscribe, and over and out. Jace.